Hey everyone, this is Fahad Abdul Aziz and welcome to my channel Fadiz Pro. So today's video's topic is very important. If you're a marketer, you may need to create a portfolio website or you may need to create a dummy website for your client, but you don't want to spend money on premium domain hosting. So as you can see, this is a dummy website and I have uploaded my HTML file in Netlify, which is completely free. So today I will show you how can you upload your HTML file or website in Netlify for free. Okay, so let's get started. At first, we will go to the Claude, and here you may need to here you can type create a Google Ads portfolio website for me. So I have already created a website. If I show you, this is a dummy website. You can type create a HTML file for a Google Ads expert portfolio. As you can see, this is a dummy HTML file. So we will upload this file to the Netlify and we'll get a live link. Okay, so at first I will download this HTML file. So as you can see, this is our HTML file and its name is Fadiz Pro Portfolio. At first we have to rename this to index. Okay, now this is index.html file. Now I will compress this file to the zip file. Okay, so this is our zip file. Now we will go to the netlify.com. I have already created my account, so I will click on my dashboard. Then here you can see add new project. Click on this button and here you can see upload your project file. You can click here and upload the file. Okay, it's uploading and do not refresh this page. So as you can see, we have got a live link. It may few times to make this process 100% done. So you can refresh this page and our website is live. If I click on this link, you can see this is our dummy HTML file and it's our live link. You can share this link to your client or you can create your portfolio website. You can use this Netlify forever. It's completely free. So that's it. This is a very simple process. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.